welcome to our channel. We are Restless Off-Road.
Alright, as you can see, we're draining the coolant. We're gonna start chopping off the fenders. But we gotta take all this stuff out first.
You can help me first.
Here you got Rogelio slaving away.
Right.
Slave away. Yeah, so we have a lot to do still, but yeah, we're gonna chop out the fenders to
Tell them why we're chopping.
Oh yeah, that's right. So before I get to that, one of the motor mounts broke off. You can see it right there, if you can. The bracket is broken, so we're gonna try to just make a new bracket, weld that on, get the motor mount in place, so we can have a, well, you know why, just so we can mount up the motor mount. I mean the motor in a good position. But yeah, so we got a lot to do. Alright guys, you like the thing I'm wearing?
Where did the motor mount
Cool,
go?
huh? Alright guys, keep watching.
Alright, so this is the frame part that I ripped off. The other side, I think it's there, but it was the one with zip tie, so that's not good. So we have to pretty much make the frame mount, side of the mount, so we can put another motor mount back on the car, because right now there's nothing there to put this onto. So that's the goal for today. Well, hopefully more, but yeah, we gotta do this first. Cool. Is it actually fucked up, or is it
Check out this busted radiator.
It's not busted, it still works.
It's busted, bro. It's all crooked. Nah, I mean, it's not leaking. I mean, we might use it.
That's what happens when you flip.
Yeah, but that's what happens when you flip. Things twist. So yeah, and we got all this room for extra activities. Oh my god, look at that. Alright guys.
Look at our roll cage sketch.
Oh yeah, this is our roll cage sketch. This is the the idea that we're planning.
It's horrible.
It's awesomely drawn. The best engineers drew this up. Yeah, so this kind of basic idea. If you're wondering what this thing is, that's the roof. That's the roof from a three-dimensional view. But yeah. Alright. Here we go. Alright, so I'm trying to take this stuff off right here, but the fender's kind of in the way, so we're just gonna manually winch it straight if it works, hopefully.
Is it working?
Yeah. It's moving the whole car.
Oh, can you put the e-brake?
Yeah.
You sure? In
Pretty
gear?
probably. No.
We'll put it in gear because it's moving. Oh, I hit the harness.
So I gotta watch. So wait, hold on. I need my ear protection too. Safety first, Rogelio. All right, send it.
Here? Or here?
The freaking hood cable, bro.
Oh my god.
God damn.
The one thing I wanted to save. Now let's stop the project. That's it.
That's it.
No more project.
Let's just get away from it. That's it. If anybody wants to buy a 4runner, let us know. Description on.
Yeah. Okay, so it's kind of hard now, so I don't hit anything. Oh wait, this guy's needs to move. This guy also needs to move. What the hell's the guy? Whatever.
Alright, that's pretty cool. I mean, you got like the brake lines. You got some lines like you. Oh, there's over here.
I think I might be able to avoid him.
The next scene's gonna be complete. Oh, it's like straight down right there, bro.
No. I'm afraid I will hit the line. Alright, let's just leave it there.
Yeah, alright, let's go. Let's move on to this side. Alright, on this side you have nothing to worry about.
Except everything.
Nothing in your way.
Can you get this, Gary? Okay, I got it from the bottom.
Oh, just got it. Trying to keep it OEM, I see.
Trying to keep it a clean title.
Clip, 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 clip. There you go. Stop.
Just put it over. Careful with the airbags. They're expensive. Can you? Yeah, there you go. Right there.
Cool.
Yep,
Cool.
that works.
Alright, that works. You left it like over here on this side. If you guys can guess what's under this, I'll give you a hint. It's Japanese and it's all-wheel drive. That's all you get. Alright.
You get some stickers.
Yeah, you get stickers and maybe something else. We don't know yet.
You get something.
A candy or something. Okay, cool.
I cut something.
Oh, you totally hit the freaking tire, bro.
No, I cut the ABS. Oh my god, we're not gonna have ABS anymore.
What a rook.
I also cut myself.
What a rook. That's cool. I run into it.
Hold on, we're stuck on the speed cable. I mean the head cable.
All right, so as you can see, in there, this is the piece that broke. So the motor mount goes on. And
Okay, this is good.
yeah, that can see pretty good. Yeah, so that's the piece that we need to fix. It's broken, so
We need to cut it and reattach it.
yeah. I think the best way would be to make the bracket on.
Just tack it on there.
Not even. I think
Back and weld it.
think about it this way.
Or-
since we have the motor mount out, we could just make a bracket to fit the motor mount, and then put that whole piece together, and then weld
I was
it on.
thinking about that, but the problem is that there's already a piece there, so it's gonna add extra
Well, we gotta cut that
height. Oh yeah, yeah. We can do that too.
some freaking way.
Either that, or we go to pick apart, and we get
The whole piece.
the whole piece. Yeah.
Hopefully they have.
I mean, I'm sure they have one without a motor. It's
Yeah.
Not. Like
Well, we can go check. Road trip.
road trip. No, not yet. Let's first try something, and then when we can't do anything, then we'll take a road trip.
Right, that's the culprit. Yeah. So as we were talking about earlier too, we don't know if we're gonna keep any of this, just due to the fact that it has play for days. Unless, hear me out. Hear me out. We put solid mounts for body mounts.
Yeah, that will work. For those two,
Yeah.
four. Yeah, we can do that too. I mean, it's not, we're not going for comfort.
Yeah, we're not going for comfort. I mean, that's what the suspension is for.
Pretty much.
So as you can see, this one's pretty good.
I
there.
tightened it. It was loose, which most of them are.
It was loose like Mother Goose.
So I tightened everything, so we should be good for now. But yeah, we need to fix it before we can do anything. Because if we don't have that working,
Valemos Verga. All right then. So we're gonna try to think of something, and
we'll come back.
we'll come back. All right. So we came up with the idea. We're just gonna just wing it and just
Try and make a mount.
yeah, try to make a mount. We're probably gonna get a new mortar mount because the one that we have is kind of bent a little bit also. So what we're gonna do is take off the alternator to give us more space to get into that butt crack right there to cut and do what we gotta do. Hopefully with an abrasive wheel we'll be able to grind all that down. And I think with an abrasive wheel we'll be able to do it.
Yeah, maybe.
Cut all that down
Yeah.
and freaking make
I mean, see what I'm telling you, if we don't use that other plate, we can just keep that plate on there and weld onto that plate.
This is very true.
It's just,
All right.
it's all about ear right now.
All right. Yeah. So we're playing it by ear, like you said, and yeah, look at all that poop. Ah. 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 All right. Cool. We're gonna get going with this. All right. So we are back from the auto store. We got a new tranny mount. Not that kind of tranny. Let's see. And a new motor mount. Yeah, so the looks from the looks of this one compared to the other one is it did. Yeah, just pretty bent. It went. This one's pretty straight. Alright, so we're gonna make
take care of this.
okay. We're gonna put a new a piece of a plate right here. It's a 1/4-inch plate. And yeah, we're gonna just, you know, draw it up and then cut and then drill some holes and call it a day. So let's get to that. What's up, everyone? So we're gonna show you the final results on what we did today. As you saw, Rogelio, he did the transmission mount, and I was doing the motor mount. It took a minute, but we got it done. So let's just see the result real quick for the front mount. There it is, right there. So the welds are like whatever. It was pretty hard to get a grinder in there, like you saw, and even just to cut it, it was just a mission and a half just to get in there. Even with the welder, I burned myself pretty bad when I was in the bottom. Shit hurt. But it happened, whatever. And another thing we ran into was this front wheel. As you can see, it's like dramatically touching the knuckle and the freaking upper ball joint. So we're most likely gonna just go to a junkyard and replace it with a replacement. And yeah, it's like hella crooked. Rogelio was trying to adjust it with the lower control arm, but that wasn't working out. But yeah, so that's what we got for you today. Oh, and another thing real quick before I forget, if you can guess what car this is, you know, it's Japanese and it's all-wheel drive. That's all I'm gonna tell you. This is a challenger for the 4runner when it's done. If you can guess what it is, you'll get a sticker or a cookie or something. Congratulations. Should be alright. So, thanks again for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Follow us at Restless Off-Road on Instagram. And thanks for watching. We will see you next time.